everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by with another review. This one is for Alexis Mica powder. They're Chameleon powders. 16 different ones. Distributed from Ukraine. Okay, I'm in love with these, I gotta say. This is just gonna be an unboxing. I won't be opening them because, unlike the last ones, these are sealed. And I mean sealed. Each one under the lid has, I'm going to show you. Under the lid has a vacuum tight seal. So, no cross contact. Hey, I can show you what they look like with the lid off. Now, this one is the Living Earth. This one is obviously a blue. Let's see if we can get, it's got a green. It goes a blue-green. Let's see if it does anything else. No, okay, this one is a blue-green. Man, it is stunning. I'm gonna probably say that 16 times, but once you get the lid off, it's a booger to get back on. I'm sure once you take that protective seal off, it's gonna be a lot easier. This one is Merry Dancers. This one is a like a green gold. Oh, so beautiful. I'm assuming it's supposed to be a very Christmassy, and it is very Christmassy. I was very surprised by this one. Mermaid's eyes. It's got kind of a bronzy, coppery color, and it shifts to gold. With a kind of a fuchsia. Very pretty. This one right here reminds me of the Pearl-X color that's like mink or something like that, I think. But this one is a cobalt violet. It definitely is. The cobalt flash on that is just beautiful. Alright, then we have my dog going crazy. Okay, sorry about that. It was the neighbor making the dog bark. This one is Ocean Amethyst. It is so stunning. It really does have a blue flash when you get it right. Oh. Magnolia Sunset. This one I can't describe to you. That's the color. Same thing with this one. This one's Carmine Red. Now this one has like a gold fuchsia kind of flash to it, even though it's a kind of rusty red color, coppery kind of color. It is the purplest blue, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. This one, again, Snow Queen. I don't know what color that is. Maybe a purpley bluish kind of color. Snow Queen. What is this one? Peacock blue. Okay. Chocolate plum. Oh, that makes me just hungry. Lilac navy. Very, very pretty navy color. Really pretty. This one threw me. It's just called interference blue, but I've never seen an interference color like that. That is just so pretty. Spicy cocktail. This one has kind of a rusty, burnt sienna kind of color, but it flashes a purple fuchsia kind of color. Really pretty. I don't know why the best is left for last, but this one is Haldy Brown. I don't know what that means, but this is definitely a bronze that has a gold green flash. Oh, really pretty. And then Galaxy Purple. That one is a fuchsia color. It's a fuchsia. Really pretty. Now, I'm sure out of the jar, these will all look different. So, I'm really excited. I'm going to do some with resin. I'll dust the molds. And then I'll do some maybe stenciling on polymer clay or something. Alright? So, this is the unboxing for, let's look, Alexis Mica powder. Alright, the links will be below. Thank you to Alexis for contacting me. I can't shut the box. Oh, there we go. Not sure why that was important, but anyway. Let's see. I'll leave the links below. Thank y'all for watching. Bye for now.